Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brianna Ayana. If you're new here, hey girl, welcome. If you're not new here, welcome back and thank you for supporting. So as you can see, I look crazy. I just got out the shower and I'm a little out of breath because I'm rushing. So today I'm just gonna run a few errands. I'm gonna get my hair done. I'm gonna get a silk press. I'm excited. So I need to hurry up because it's 40 minutes away. So I'm just gonna like time lapse this and like just you guys just like a mini get ready with me or mini morning like skincare routine. So let me prep you guys up. All right, so yeah, let's get ready.
My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to bash me. I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent it back to her boyfriend with my imprint on her ass sheet. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. Wish he could, but he can't get close. OG so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't control. 7 wood, then I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's y'all sense of humor? I'm done making jokes cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my head to consumers. I make vets feel like they juniors. Say your time is coming soon. It's like Oklahoma. Mine is coming soon. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school. I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like they ain't losers. My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to bash me. I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent it back to her boyfriend with my imprint on her ass sheet. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. Wish he could, but he can't get close. OG so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't control. 7 wood, then I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's y'all sense of humor? I'm done making jokes cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my head to consumers. I make vets feel like they juniors. Say your time is coming soon. It's like Oklahoma. Mine is coming soon. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school. I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like they ain't losers.
So we made it. We're just a little tiny bit late, but I'm almost there and yeah, I'm excited. So I'm gonna tell her that I'm a YouTuber and ask her she mind me vlogging. It's such an awkward thing. I've done it before and they were okay with it, and funny enough they did YouTube as well, so that it was like really cool. So hopefully this experience is the same and I can get a few clips because I hate vlogging on my phone. So I just it's just a lot of work. I just can't be bothered with that. But yeah guys, oh my god, I thought that police was gonna put me over. Oh lord, you know when you're driving the speed limit but you don't remember what the speed limit is. But yeah guys, so I'll hopefully see you when I get there.
Mr. Dance, idiot.
Came out bustin', came out trappin', came out fucking on your cousin. I do all these bruises, worse than they daddy. Bet you love her, you in trouble. I'm the same watch cable in my country. Cause my papa wasn't slapping, but my uncle up the second. Mr. Magic, Billy, Action. Mr. Magic, Billy, Action. Hit me with that local vision. On the nigga, get it, drag it. I'm not surprised, I'm on the ride. Been a little ride, that is my eyes. That made a lie, just hold it down. All I require, just hold it down. They gon' shit talk you and me on around. Niggas be hitting with feet on the ground. Got the little jet with the beat on the couch. Belt on the Gucci and beat on the mouth. Came out buzzing, 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 came out buzzing. Wait, Chanel on my feet, yeah that's full on my C's. I be fucking with the bees like Muhammad Ali. Dip her uppercut this thing, got your bitch on the edge of her seat. She on that ecstasy, I'm on the beat. Swear the ecstasy edge of my feet. And usually I like repetitive beat. I like the way that she move on my feet. All of these bitches, they look good to me. But I fuck the same girl cause I don't even cheat. That is a lie, repetitive freak. I don't even look, no, I don't even see. I don't even beat. G5, G5, repetitive G. I'm trying to get her the motherfucking cheese. Bitch, I'm a boss, I'm wherever it be. Been on tour, I see.
Hey guys, we're all done. And this is what it looks like. I did get a trim because I haven't trimmed my hair, but it looks so good. I love it. And I'm gonna link her information in the description box, so if anybody in San Antonio wants to book her, they can. But 10 out of 10. So I decided I'm gonna get a tattoo, so that's what we're about to do. So yeah, let's head to get tatted.
Just like my music, your bitch, she gon' listen. Came out buzzing, 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 came out buzzing. I'm road running, I'm so cunning. I take digit, fat for a plate, fat boy shouted, airport pilot, dance car audit, one time climbing, 2 white bitches, still gon' kick it, flat shit kicking, still toe pigeon, young like sleazy, get back with you, step back, hit him with the step back switching. Hey nigga, hoping that it felt like this. She might triple, she might whistle, she might hit you, freaky walker, that might Cody, that might nigga. I been stacking for him, really, when he pull up, they gon' hit it.
Do my hair.
Guys, we're in the tattoo shop now, and I already filled out my paperwork. I'm talking quiet because I feel awkward filming in public. But yeah, we're just waiting on the tattoo artist to come. I'm getting a tattoo right here and on my wrist. So yeah. Oh, your lighting makes it look so good. Alright. Yeah, I can see it. Hey guys, I finally made it home. It's been not that long, but I just needed to unwind because I've been on the road for a couple hours. Excuse me. And I just needed to rest a little. So I'm making dinner. I'm making saltfish and cabbage with some boiled dumpling. Wanna know about that? So yeah, and I have like a few of my grocery items that I did not unpack that I'm gonna unpack. So I'm just gonna not vlog, I mean just like time lapse it. And I do have a bottle of wine in the freezer just chilling. Yeah, gonna enjoy that in a little. So yeah guys,
my track record so clean, they couldn't wait to bash me. I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent her back to her boyfriend with my imprint on her ass cheek. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. We should cook, but he can't get close. OG so so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't control. Said I would, then I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's y'all sense of humor? I'm done making jokes, cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my head to consumers. I make vets feel like they juniors. Say your time is coming soon. It's like Oklahoma. Mine is coming soon. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school. I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like they losers. My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to just bash me. I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent it back to her boyfriend with my imprint on her ass sheet. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. Wish he could, but he can't get close. OG so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't control. Said I would, then I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's y'all sense of humor? I'm done making jokes, cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my head to consumers. I make vets feel like they juniors. Say your time is coming soon. It's like Oklahoma. Mine is coming soon. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school. I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like they losers. My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to just bash me. I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent it back to her boyfriend with my imprint on her ass sheet. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. Wish he could, but he can't get close. OG so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't control. Said I would, then I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's y'all sense of humor? I'm done making jokes, cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my head to consumers. I make vets feel like they juniors. Say your time is coming soon. It's like Oklahoma. Mine is coming soon. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school. I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like they losers. My track record so clean, they couldn't wait to just bash me. I must be getting too flashy. Y'all shouldn't have let the world gas me. It's too late cause I'm here to stay and these girls know that I'm nasty. I sent it back to her boyfriend with my imprint on her ass sheet. City talking, we taking notes. Tell him all to keep making posts. Wish he could, but he can't get close. OG so proud of me that he choking up while he making toast. I'm the type that you can't control. Said I would, then I made it so. I don't clear up rumors. Where's y'all sense of humor? I'm done making jokes, cause they got old like baby boomers. Turn my head to consumers. I make vets feel like they juniors. Say your time is coming soon. It's like Oklahoma. Mine is coming soon. I'm just a late bloomer. I didn't peak in high school. I'm still out here getting cuter. All these social networks and computers got these pussies walking around like they losers. tell a friend. She got some ass, bring it in. Bitch, I'm the new, she in it. Yeah, reel it in. I got the bag, tell a friend. She got some ass, bring it in. Bitch, I'm the new, she in it. Yeah, trippin'. Really got the TikTok missing. This pimpin'. Broke niggas got me living. You Jordan a Pippin. I'm Kobe, I'm never gon' dish shit. On this shit. I'm dissing as fuck and I ain't got the time to just kick it. I don't trust nobody cause I can't be fake. Frontin' ain't an option cause my soul can't change. And I'm tired of being humble, bitch, I feel no way. It's that young nigga shit, I might pull up to your bitch. Like, reel it in, I got the bag, tell a friend. She got some ass, bring it in. Bitch, I'm the new, she in it. Yeah, reel it in, I got the bag, tell a friend. She got some ass, bring it in. Bitch, I'm the new, she in it. Jesus Christ, I buy that shit before I even know the price. It's 13K up on my finger, bitch, you right. Them diamonds dancing, yeah, that boy be looking nice. I guess this what you call that motherfucker. Got a Tatiana, put it in designer. She Italiana, she a sorta kinda, she pure cute. So she really fine, just sorta weird. And she got some K, give me OPP for my ODB. These ABC, we get ABCs. I'm a young dreadhead with anxiety, and I love it when a bitch nigga try me. I don't trust nobody cause I can't be fake. Frontin' ain't an option cause my soul can't change. And I'm tired of being humble, bitch, I feel no way. It's that young nigga shit, I might pull up to your bitch. Reel it in, I got the bag, tell a friend. She got some ass, bring it in. Bitch, I'm the new, she in it. Yeah, reel it in, I got the bag, tell a friend. She got some ass, bring it in. Bitch, I'm the new, she in it. Yeah, trippin', really got the TikTok missing. This pimpin', broke niggas got me living. You Jordan a Pippin. I'm Kobe, I'm never gon' dish shit. On this shit. I'm dissing as fuck and I ain't got the time to just kick it. I don't trust nobody cause I can't be fake. Frontin' ain't an option cause my soul can't change. And I'm tired of being humble, bitch, I feel no way. It's that young nigga shit, I might pull up to your bitch. Like, reel it in, I got the bag, tell a friend. She got some ass, bring it in. Bitch, I'm the new, she in it. Yeah, reel it in, I got the bag, tell a friend. She got some ass, bring it in. Bitch, I'm the new, she in it. Jesus Christ, I buy that shit before I even know the price. It's 13K up on my finger, bitch, you right. Them diamonds dancing, yeah, that boy be looking nice. I guess this what you call that motherfucker. Got a Tatiana, put it in designer. She Italiana, she a sorta kinda, she pure cute. So she really fine, just sorta weird. And she got some K, give me OPP for my ODB. These ABC, we get ABCs. I'm a young dreadhead with anxiety, and I love it when a bitch nigga try me. I don't trust nobody cause I can't be fake. Frontin' ain't an option.